Set.
Set position and sent off. Lumley gets out quickly. Up onto the shoulders of Fisher in the lane 8. They come off the turn and it's Lumley, but only just. The 100-meter champion. Mac Williams, silver in the 100 meters, his teammate. And Wolmer's going for another Quinella. It is Lumley of Wolmer's from his teammate Mac Williams. 1-2 for Wolmer's once again, as they did in the 100 meters. And they have repeated that in the 200 meters. AJANI Lumley from Joshua Mac Williams. And DeAndre Parker of Jamaica College came through for the bronze. 22.20. For AJANI Lumley of Wolmer's boys, taking the gold ahead of his teammate Joshua McWilliams. And what a feat accomplished here by Wolmer's.
Well, Lumley is the only athlete that has run the turn and kept his momentum right through to the finish. He ran a blinding turn, followed by the young man from Kingston College, and Williams was also there. But it was Lumley on the outside, lane 7, I think it was, keeping his lift all the way through to the line for the win.
Yeah. It's very rare that we see a Quinella in the 100, a Quinella in the 200. The Wolmerians have delivered that. Historic here. Last time I remember seeing this, it was Dwayne Extall and Julian Ford. But that was in 2010, and Wolmer's was going for a champs victory. Right now, I think Wolmer's would be just happy to finish in the top 4. But amazing for these youngsters. These are the babies here at champs on the boys' side to do this.
The final placings: Lumley gold 22.20, Mac Williams silver 22.41, Parker bronze at 22.65. Edwards came through for 4th.